أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولقد أنزلنا إليكم آية مبينات ومثلا من الذين خلوا من قبلكم وموعظة للمتقين. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I recited Surah Noor Ayat number 34. So in this ayat, Allah tells us that Allah has blessed us with the light of Holy Quran. MashaAllah. So we have got a special type of expression of Allah's advice in order to promote our chastity, our modesty, and our purity, so that we should have a good face before Allah in this world and hereafter. MashaAllah. So this is very important for us. So Allah said, Walakad, and indeed, anzalna, we have revealed or we have sent down ilaykum to you ayatim bayyinat. So ayat mean the sign, bayyinat mean the prominent or the clear. So ayatim bayyinat, the clear signs. So we have sent down to you the clear signs, wa masalam, and the examples, min allazina khalaw min qablikum, of the example of the people who were before you, wa mau'izatan lil muttaqin. Mau'izat mean like the advice, lil muttaqin, for the people who fear Allah. So Allah said, وَلَقَدْ أَنزَلْنَا إِلَيْكُمْ آيَةٍ مُبَيِّنَاتٍ وَمَثَلًا مِنَ الَّذِينَ خَلَوْا مِنْ قَبْلِكُمْ وَمَوْعِظَةً لِلْمُتَّقِينَ. And indeed we have sent down, revealed to you the clear signs and examples of those who passed away before you, and an advice for those who fear Allah. If you look in this, mashallah, in this chapter of Holy Quran, so Allah has given us so many blessed messages in order to purify and to keep our chastity, to keep our modesty, mashallah, in a nice way, so that we should have a good person within the society, and our society should be in a position to get mercies of Allah. MashaAllah. You can look at that, like if you look, Allah is protecting us, that if we are just to stay with purity, so Allah's blessings will come to us to make us rich. If we are poor, then we will get to the wealth with the blessings and bounties of Allah. Then we will be in a position to have the access to do the nikah. MashaAllah. So this is the blessings of Allah. And you also look in this ayat, Allah also said that you are not allowed to compel the girls or women to do the sexual intercourse or sexual evils. So mashallah, Allah wants purity, piety within society. Even Allah wants that the people who are unmarried, single, they should marry. And the girls or the boys or men or the women whose husband or wives have been died, if they are single also, they should be married, so that there should not be any type of sexual evils within within Islamic society. So everywhere should be modesty and purity. Allah wants that. So this way, if someone is poor person is unable to do that, Allah will make that person, mashallah, rich with his blessings and bounties. So this way we have to look after ourselves. Even Allah also said that for the men and the women, and we have to lower our gazes so that we should get the purity. This is very important. And for the women, they have to because women have like they have mahram people where they have to come with their full satar, full veil, like, and when they are just to go out they have to protect their body, and they are not to show off anything. Even they are not allowed to have scent. They are not to apply, they are not allowed to apply scent on them, so that it will attract the other people and they will get the punishment, because Allah said they are inviting other people. So the sin of this is like doing sexual intercourse, like so much big sinful act to attract other people like this. So be careful. So follow the rules, regulation, what Allah wants from us. Even if you look, the Allah told us how to get into the houses of others. Just get permission, then say assalamu alaikum, then enter into the house. So this way Allah wants like our Allah wants to secure our privacy, and also Allah wants to protect our purity and modesty, mashallah. This is very important. And even if you look the because the good people always, Allah said, they are having the blessed rizq of Allah, and Allah is forgiving the sins of them. And even those people, they are under slandering by the other people also, but Allah bless them the bounties with his own rizq, and Allah also forgive the sins of them also. So this is the blessings of Allah. Allah has given the example of Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, who have been slandered by the hypocritic chief Abdullah bin Abi. And this way Allah told us that this type of big buhtan or slandering is not allowed in Islam. It creates disturbance, and this is the biggest sinful act. So, and Allah gave us its example also with the Aisha radiallahu ta'ala anha, and also what was the role of munafiqeen in that. So this way Allah also tells us that the slandering to others, it is like a cursing yourself. When you doing this one, it means you are getting the curse of Allah. So this is like thing. Even Allah also said that you are not allowed to follow the shaitanic shaitanic لا تتبعوا خطوات الشيطان. So you are not to follow the footsteps of shaitan. ومن يتبع خطوات الشيطان فإنه يأمر بالفحشاء والمنكر. Even shaitan will try to bring them into the sinful act like indecency and disobedience to Allah. So shaitan is like doing this, but Allah wants and protect your modesty and purity. In this way we have to follow the Allah's blessings. We also look that if a person who is promoting the indecency or indecent messages to the other people who are with iman, that person will get the punishment in the form of painful torment in this world and the world hereafter also. So this is very important. We need to understand so many blessings we got in this chapter with the blessings of Allah. So we must be thankful to Allah every time. And if there is some problem, for example, if a man whose husband is just to look the wife in having sexual intercourse with someone. So Allah has told us the rules, regulations of that one also. And when a person is doing sexual intercourse, married or unmarried, so the rules have been given in this ayat, in this chapter also. So this is the chapter like Surah Noor, which is the greatest blessings of Allah in order to bring in us purification, to make our character more modest, so that we should have a good face before Allah in this world and the world hereafter. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.